Excellency, the Second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, and my colleagues from the Muranga County Assembly, and all our viewers. My name is Geshofe Mbatia, like the Senator has said. I am the MCA elected to represent the great people of Kariara Ward in Muranga County, Gatanga constituency in Muranga County. We are here as the Muranga County Assembly. All of us are here, and it is good to inform the country that all of us received invitations to go to State House today, and all MCAs were promised that if we honor that invitation and we go to State House, we are going to be given each 300,000 shillings. But these honorable members from the Muranga County Assembly decided that they are not going to take 300,000 as a bribe, which we know very well is coming from corruption. It is money from proceeds of corruption. It is money that is supposed to go to capitation. It is money that is supposed to go to healthcare, but instead it is being dished out as bribes in State House. So we decided that instead of going to State House, we are going to come and visit our leader, our party leader, our future president, and the second deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. We have had a good meeting and we've discussed very many issues regarding our county. We are here, and it is also good that we say that the whole assembly, despite being here, the governor is aware that we are here, and he knows very well that the county assembly is in Karen today visiting the second deputy president. And that is why we are standing here to show the country that despite what is going on in State House, not every leader takes a bribe. Muranga County Assembly does not take bribes from William Ruto. The government of Muranga County is not interested in taking bribes from President William Ruto. What we are interested in is ensuring that we join our second deputy president in sending President William Ruto home come 2027, ensuring that he is a one-term president so that we can get a government that cares for the people. Today in State House, everything that is being planned there, everything that is being said there is not the first time that we've had it. We still have very many incomplete roads in our constituencies and in our wards, and they have not been done. So we did not get a point, we did not see a point at all why we were being called and being invited to State House. So we want to tell President William Ruto that not everybody has a price. Yes, you said that MCAs are going to receive 300,000 if they are going to honor your invitation. But I am here as MCA Kariara Ward and my colleagues here, and we have said that we are not taking your bribes, and that is why we have come to Karen to visit our leader. And after this, you are going to see what is going to happen on the ground. President William Ruto, we also need to tell you and inform you that all those people you are hosting today in State House, they are only there to take your money. In fact, they called us yesterday and even in the morning, and they informed us from our wards that they are going to State House just to take your money and go back to Mashinani. Those people are not going to change anything. The politics of Muranga are one term. The people of Muranga are in DCP, and they are firmly behind United Opposition, and our leader is His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Therefore, Mr. President, we are sorry. As Muranga County, we are not boarding in your bus.